So this is going to be a very short video because there's only going to be 2 examples, and it's a continuation of multi-step equations, so we kind of already know the steps. All right, let's look at example 1. Okay, so we're going to solve this equation. Negative 12 plus x divided by 5 equals negative 16. Now remember, the first step is to figure out which side of the equation the variable is on. So that's this left side. So we're going to ignore this for now. And then we're going to figure out, so we're going to focus on this side. Then figure out which number is the furthest from the variable. So out of the negative 12 and the 5, which is furthest away, I'm going to say that for problems that look like this, it will be not this number, but this one, the one that's either being added. So I mean, this one's closer to the x than this one is. That's what I'm going to say. So that will be the farthest number, that negative 12. So the next step after we decide which one is the farthest number, we have to deal with it by undoing its operation. So this one, it has a minus in front of it. Actually, let me rewrite this. So it has that minus in front. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides to undo that. So that negative 12 plus 12 cancels out. The x divided by 5 stays. It's a positive, so we don't have to write anything in front there. And then negative 16 plus 12. We have 16 negatives and 12 positives. That means we have 4 more negatives, so we're left with negative 4. And now it's just a one-step equation that we've seen before. I'm trying to get the variable by itself. It's x divided by 5, so I need to undo this operation by multiplying by 5. So times 5 times 5 there. So that cancels out, leaving me with just x. So x equals, and then negative 4 times positive 5, negative times a positive is a negative. So I got negative 20. And that's it for solving that type of problem. If you need extra practice on this, I put up another page called Extra Practice. It's just problems that look like example 1. So problems that look like that. If you need extra practice, it's on the Extra Practice page on the website. Example number 2. So again, we're following our steps from the last lesson, the last video. And those steps are: first, identify the side of the equation that has the variable. So that's this side. So that means we're going to ignore this for a little bit. And then deal with the number that's farthest away from the variable. And whenever you get a problem that looks like this, I'm telling you now, in this example, the 3 is going to be the farthest away. This one's going to be a little bit closer. So the way I think of it is this division kind of groups it so that the negative 4 will be considered closer to the variable. So that 3 is going to be the farthest. So we deal with the farthest number from the variable. We deal with that number first. And let me rewrite this. So I have all of this divided by 3, which means to undo this operation with the 3, I need to multiply both sides by 3. And that cancels. Great. I don't actually need those parentheses anymore. So I'm just left with h minus 4 here. And 3 times 7 is 21. And now it's a one-step equation. So the third thing that we have to do is just solve the one-step equation. Again, I'm trying to get the variable by itself. The variable is h. The minus 4 makes it not by itself, so I have to undo this minus 4. So plus 4 plus 4 to both sides. That cancels, leaving me with just h on the right side. And 21 plus 4 is 25. And that's it for the two examples. That's all it is for the notes this time. If you need extra practice, there's some extra practice on the extra practice page. I feel like I said extra practice a lot. Okay, bye.